and just put it all over my face.
Okay. Like, just rub it in?
Yes. Just, come on. Have confidence. Okay, why are you putting it on one side? Put it on
So, everywhere?
Yeah.
All right.
What is up, guys? So today's video, Avery's gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna guide him through it. I think he's gonna do pretty okay. We'll see how it goes.
I've never done makeup, obviously. So this is my first time ever trying to attempt to do something like this, but we figured it would make a cool video, funny video, maybe. I don't know. I don't think I'm a natural. Like, what if I get everything right? Like, what if I get you right? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Nah, it's not gonna happen.
Well, you won't know unless you try, so.
About to walk out of here looking like a circus, man.
Okay, I'm gonna put my hair back so it's much easier. Okay, so first you wanna get the primer. The primer is this. You just put it all over my face so it just, yeah.
Okay.
For my foundation.
And, okay.
Okay, just put it on.
What do you...
No, just use your hand and then just...
I pick it up like this?
Yeah.
With my bare hands?
Yeah.
Ugh.
So it's like, think of
Like
it
that?
as, yeah.
Like light? Nothing crazy?
No.
More?
No, like...
Do I put more? Look, walk me through it. You're not telling me anything.
Just put it all over my face. It's like lotion. Just think
like
of it
lotion?
like that. Yeah.
Okay, so grab enough like lotion.
Mm-hmm. And just put it all over my face.
Okay. Like, just rub it in?
Yes. Just, come on. Have confidence. Okay, why are you putting it on one side? Put it on
everywhere?
Yeah.
All right. Turn the other way.
It doesn't need that much, okay?
Just trying to figure out where all to put this.
All over my face, my upper lip, my nose, my forehead.
Hold on, you got a booger like right. Hold on, you got a booger. This is so weird.
My nose.
So weird,
Don't get my nose.
Get your nose?
Because all this, the makeup that you're doing on my face, I'm gonna be wearing this throughout the whole day.
Your forehead?
Okay, I can't really.
I know. Just keep looking this way.
Okay. Yeah, just like that. And don't forget that side. Okay, remember I'm wearing.
Bro.
Okay. Okay, I think that's good.
Okay.
It feels good.
All right, cool.
Yeah. Okay, so next you want to get the foundation, which is with that one, and then the little sponge.
Foundation. And this is a sponge, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Why is it so wet?
Because it's got to be wet to blend.
Okay.
So pump this in here.
Inside? And put it on here?
So like a pump and a half.
A pump?
And yeah, there, that's perfect to do my whole face. And then so
like
what I do, everyone does their makeup different. So what I do is I get my own hands and I put it everywhere, like a little dot everywhere. And I and then after all the foundation is done on top, and then use the sponge to just blend it all out afterwards.
Yeah, I don't know what you just said. So just tell me what to do.
No. Okay, use your fingers.
Okay.
And then put it
Fingers or finger?
Finger.
Dab it in
around.
And dot.
Yeah, everywhere. Yep. Yeah, just do it. Just have some confidence. You know, you believe in yourself. No, yeah. Okay. You don't have to. No. Just dot and dot. Okay, that one's done. And then another dot. You know, yeah, just dot.
Where?
Everywhere in my face. You just do one. You just do 1, 2,
Oh.
3, like dots.
Oh, I thought you were just like dot your whole face. Oh, okay. So just.
Yeah, I'm really bad at explaining things. I can show you the more that I can tell you.
Got it. So I'm dotting your face.
Yeah. Make sure like you got my nose, my upper lip.
I think you're dotted up.
Okay, try to use as much as that is, because I know a pump and a half. It's
like your sweet spot. So look at that. Uh-huh. the work of an artist right here.
All right, now we're gonna blend. Oh, use the other way. Those. Okay, the reason why they have these like on like the creases.
Okay.
You know? But
Gotcha. So I'm gonna use this end.
Yeah.
And
Just
what do I do? Rub it in?
Yeah. No. Blend it. Like the little dabs that you.
Oh,
were
so
doing,
dab it,
yeah.
dab it.
Make sure it covers my whole skin. Okay, is it under my like? You think you got it?
Dang, I got everything.
Really?
Yeah, I think I did pretty good.
I'm proud of you. Okay, and then we're good then. And then still hold on.
I got everything.
And then get the concealer. So this other foundation, but it's a little smaller. And
It's crazy. Like I'm not gonna guess it. You might as well just grab it from me.
Right there.
Okay.
Okay, this is okay. And then you're gonna put it under my eye, so maybe like 3 dabs. Like under my eye.
Like dot, dot, dot?
Dot, yeah. Sorry,
Okay.
I meant 3 dots, not 3 dabs.
Okay.
So 1.
Wait. Oops. I forgot. Let me know. Don't close your eyes. How does this look? There we go. I put the, what was that I just dabbed on your face?
Foundation.
Foundation. Let me know how that foundation looks. Yes, sir. I'm an artiste.
Those dabs, yeah. And then you blend it with the,
dot,
yep.
dot,
Yeah.
dot.
And then, yeah, that's it. And then get the blender, the sponge.
The same one?
Yeah. Make sure all that is in underneath my eyelid. Yeah, man.
Oh, too close to your eye, bro.
No, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
How's that look? Is it covered?
I think so.
Okay, the next one.
Ooh.
All right, now you're gonna get the setting powder.
The what?
Once you like dab in there, you just dab right in between like this, and then on the middle, right here. So right in between there. So sorry. Let's take it one step at a time.
Please. It's
No,
spilling.
it needs to be like, yep, that's how it's powder. What do you expect?
Okay.
Make sure it's covered. So, because
Okay.
I'm gonna be wearing this makeup
Okay.
all day today.
Yeah. All right. Gucci.
Because I trust you.
You Gucci.
Okay.
You Gucci.
And now the other side.
Okay.
Make sure to dab it again.
Oh, yeah, dab it
I
again.
always
Dab it
dab it again.
Okay.
Because I usually always use all the powder that was in that first one on that.
Okay.
Because we're gonna brush it off afterwards. It just needs to set.
What y'all think? I got it right?
Because that's when we're gonna bring in the bronzer and the blush.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I got you right.
All right. So we have one more. You gotta dab it. You gotta put some powder on it again.
Okay.
So do it in between my cheeks and then where my jawbone is, and put it right in the middle.
What?
Because we're gonna brush it off.
So right here?
It tells for me. It tells me where to put like the bronzer.
Okay.
Because I'll show you later. Okay. Yeah.
Later. How long is this gonna take?
Okay, this is it. It takes me 10 minutes to do all this.
Okay. I got it right, y'all. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Dealing with all this powdery stuff, man.
So next is my eyebrows.
Oh boy.
Like that, and in the bottom. Yep.
Don't move. Stop moving. Oh shit. Just hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Just trace it for now, okay? You got it? Do you feel good about it? Just use your hands to like erase it.
Okay,
You know,
so I can-
like
so-
the little parts, like
So I can
you
put
know.
my finger on
yeah,
there. Okay.
that's what
okay,
I
hold on.
do.
All right. Hold on.
Yeah, just shape it. Yeah, that feels good. Yep, because you were just all over. I felt that.
Okay.
You did
Okay.
amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then, do you think the tracing looks good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay, and then put some more on the brush.
Okay. Like that?
And no, I just said in like the inner ones. Just make sure to go up, but just fill it in the middle and the end part.
Okay, so just do this.
Yeah, just
Okay.
make sure it's filled in.
Okay.
Because you don't, the reason why I say move up from the inner is because you don't want to have it look like a block.
Hold on. Let's make this a thumbnail. Back up. Hold on. Just stay right there, and then just like. Okay.
Okay, remember I told you don't make it look like a, you know,
Looks like a what?
a block. Like, boom,
Whoa.
like there, you know?
Okay.
You don't want to have that.
Yeah, you good. You good on
Okay,
this side.
so,
You good.
okay, so this exact same thing, but on the other side.
Okay. So we're good on this side.
Trace
All right.
it.
Trace it. Okay. This comes off relatively easily, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You good?
Yep. Hold on. It's getting hot in here.
Okay, yeah, and then fill it in on the ends part. Is it? You think it's good?
Yeah, yeah. All right, don't look. Don't look.
You
don't
make
look.
because I am wearing this all day, and people are looking at my face.
No, I don't think we should wear it all day.
Yeah,
No.
It is.
We're not really doing anything today. This is it. We can cancel plans for today. We don't have to do anything.
this is how you want me to look in public. Like this is pretty good so far. Like
Well, we'll get there. What about your?
Okay, make sure,
Okay,
'cause-
hold on.
like
Don't
how
look.
I have your back, you better have my back.
Yeah, well. What y'all? Ooh, turn towards the light, please. What do y'all think? Like, what? I think we missed a step. I'm not gonna lie. I think we missed a step, but that's okay because this is easily fixable. Like when we're done, listen, we're not gonna go out.
So you're gonna contour my nose.
What are we doing with the powder?
Oh, that's later. It's just setting in.
Oh, what has to marinate?
Yep, kind of like that.
Okay.
That's how when we dip the primer for the foundation, just like that.
Okay.
So you learn how to contour my nose. And that's it, yeah. Oh, this doesn't feel right.
It's
But
okay.
that's okay. Yeah. And make sure it's not so dark, okay?
Turn towards the light a little bit. Light, cameras, action, boom. We got you looking right.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, do I need some more here? Cause,
No, this is. Oh yeah, no, it's good.
yeah? Okay, next one. The next side now. This doesn't feel right, but it's okay. You think it looks good? Okay.
That's it.
So next, what I like to do is I like to use that same brush and then brush out all of the powder
Okay.
off. But
Under your eyes?
out of my eyes, like down.
Oh, press it down. Okay.
Yeah. And then the other side too.
Okay.
And then just brush. Okay, the ones in the middle. Just brush it on the side, like
The middle. Oh, this.
yeah.
Towards the light. Camera, action. All right. Okay.
You got it.
Yep, I got it.
So put 2 dots on my cheek.
1, 2.
Yeah. Oh, my higher cheek, but yeah, we can blend that out.
Okay.
The next one too.
1, 2.
And then start to use this
To blend
brush.
it.
Yep, to blend it, but make sure blend it around the area.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't blend it all don't blend it anywhere. Just
Okay.
in the cheeks,
Okay.
and then you kind of move the paint. Like think of it as paint.
Okay.
You know.
So just keep dabbing it?
Yeah, keep dabbing it. Because you're blending it, you see. Get more up, maybe, because I usually put it up, like, all the way up there.
Okay.
Yeah. Because you have that control.
Oh, I doubt it.
You got this. Oh, I feel it, yep. And remember, a little higher. So it gets right there, yeah. Does that look good?
Yeah. Ooh.
Good job.
I'm a master at this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Oh, the other. Oh, that didn't feel right. Use it like. Yeah?
Yeah, I
Okay,
see.
so now do the other side.
Okay. Hold on, don't look, don't look.
Make sure to brush it up and down.
This one?
Like, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, snap. Like up.
Okay.
Down,
Oh, up and down.
yeah.
Yep.
And then you just gotta spray to set everything because we had the primer. That's the like base, the foundation, and everything else. That's like the middle.
Is it going to change
Just gotta set-
anything, or is it just putting things in place?
Yeah, putting things in place.
Well, let's not do that yet.
It's done.
Yeah, okay,
That's,
yeah,
that's
it's
literally
done.
my makeup. Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay.
So make sure. Okay,
It dries?
So, yeah. So now I do this or get the little fan, but it's too much. You spray too much at one place because the one is going down.
Oh, okay.
It shouldn't be like that.
Okay.
It shouldn't be dripping like
Okay.
that.
Okay. That's okay.
Okay.
You wanna?
Okay. And then get my lip gloss. I feel like you need a little bit more.
A little bit more? Dang.
Yeah. You know I have teeth underneath, so why are you doing it so hard?
All right. And here we have the final product done by Avery. So if y'all want to come see me, get your makeup done right, you know where to find us.
Yo, I got caterpillars.
Your hair?
I got caterpillars. Why would you do me so dirty like that?
Well, I tried.
And to think I was going out in public like this?
That's why I said we could just stay here and have some wine and chill. We don't have to go nowhere.
Okay, so let's see what he did right, okay? Oh, Lord, look at this, guys. Like, you see he didn't blend it out so well. See it right here and right here. The only thing that he got right is only my lips.
Yeah, anyways, I tried. So thank you guys for checking us out. You
Okay.
look crazy.
All right, give me a kiss.
No. Nope.